Hi, I'm Turquoise Blue. Welcome to my channel where I discuss saving money, decision making, and expressing creativity. It's time for me to stuff my cash envelopes for my sinking funds for the month of June. Starting with 3 months expenses, there should be $1,280 in 3 months expenses. There's a $1,000 placeholder. $100, $200, $20, $40, $60, $80. Today I'm adding an additional $50. $1,000 placeholder, $100, $200, $20, $40, $60, $80, $300, $320, $330. I'm going to take the 100 and leave the 30 and replace these 20s with a $100 bill. Okay, that's $330, $1,330 in 3 months expenses. I'm still maintaining this mini emergency fund of $1,000, and this envelope contains the $1,000 placeholder. Appliances has $180, and today I will be depositing $250. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, $180. So this is 180, 200, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 420, 430. Appliances now has $430. Next is automobile maintenance, and it has $80. And today I'm adding $50. $20, $40, $60, $80, $100, $120, $130. So automobile maintenance now has $130. Next is education. Education has $100, and I'm adding an additional $25. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Education now has $125. Gifts has $75 and I'm adding another $75. 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $20, $40, $60, $80, and I will take 5. $20, $40, $60, $80, $100, $120, $140, $150. Education now has $150. Next is home, and home has $100 and is getting $25. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to have to go through and replace some of these ones in here. Okay, home now has $125. And last is my envelope, and I should have $226 in here. $1, $2, $25. Looks like I'm missing a 1. It's supposed to be 226. So I'm going to put a 1 back in, but it's 100, 200, 25, and I'm adding 65 to this. $20, $40, $60. And I will take this 5 and add a 10. Plus the missing 1. This should be 226 plus 65 to total $291. Let's see if we get there. So 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 91. Okay, spot on. I now have $291 in my envelope. Okay, I have successfully stuffed $540 in my sinking funds for the month of June. I started out with $3,041 and I now have $3,581 in my sinking funds. Thanks for watching, everybody. I appreciate you as always. Thanks for your comments and thanks for your support, of course. And welcome to all my new subscribers. I wish you all prosperous and abundant living. Take care.